Welcome to our comprehensive guide entitled 12 Different Ways to Make $10,000 per Month. In this informative package, we will reveal a dozen unique strategies to achieve a healthy monthly income. From traditional methods rooted in hard work to modern strategies that leverage the power of technology, we've got you covered. So get ready to embark on a rewarding journey of personal and professional growth. The first strategy we'll explore involves using your skills to build a lucrative consulting business. Whether you're an expert in marketing, finance, human resources, or any other field, there are countless individuals and businesses who are willing to pay for your insights and experience. Furthermore, with today's digital platforms, it's easier than ever to reach a global audience. You could offer online courses, webinars, or one-on-one coaching sessions. The potential for scaling your consulting business is virtually limitless. The second approach involves leveraging the power of e-commerce. You could create and sell your own unique products, or, for a more turnkey solution, engage in dropshipping, where you partner with a supplier to sell their products. Beyond just creating an online storefront, you could also explore the potential of marketplaces like Amazon or Etsy, or even social media platforms that now allow for direct product sales. With the right strategy, the potential for a $10,000 per month income is extremely feasible. The next method we'll discuss involves generating income through content creation. Whether it be blog posts, videos, podcasts, or social media, there are numerous ways to monetize your content through advertisements, sponsorships, paid subscriptions, or even donations. The versatility of content creation lies in its ability to be matched to your own interests and passions. Whether you love to cook, travel, provide financial advice, or mid-century furniture restoration, there are always others who want to learn from and be entertained by you. The fourth method we will go over taps into the vast potential of affiliate marketing. Simply put, affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission anytime someone purchases through your unique link. The scalability of affiliate marketing is one of its major appeals. You can start small by promoting products on your blog or social media, and then eventually move into creating targeted advertisements or managing your own team of affiliate marketers. It's a strategy with a low barrier to entry and potentially high returns. The next strategy involves entering the world of real estate, a tried-and-true method for building wealth. While physical property investments are always a popular option, the digital age has now opened the doors to exciting new opportunities, such as real estate crowdfunding. Another innovative method that is quickly gaining popularity involves purchasing and developing digital real estate. Similar to its physical counterpart, digital real estate can be an incredibly lucrative investment if you have a good eye for opportunity and understand the ever-evolving digital landscape. Moving on, let's explore the burgeoning field of cryptocurrency. While the decentralized nature and fluctuating value of cryptocurrencies mean that investing in such assets can be risky, many people have still succeeded in generating substantial wealth by anticipating market trends and making sound investment decisions. One cannot underestimate the power of the sharing economy. This emerging sector has seen the birth of numerous businesses that allow individuals to generate income by renting out their property or offering their own unique services, from gig platforms to standalone startups. The streaming industry is no longer reserved for just music and movies. Today, live streaming platforms for gaming, cooking, fitness training, and so much more are making waves. With an engaging personality and valuable content, you could develop a loyal following that supports your streams monetarily. Furthermore, with the booming popularity of podcasts, many successful hosts have continuously increased their monthly income through listener donations, sponsorships, and even merchandise sales. It's another avenue where your unique voice and perspective can reap substantial financial rewards. The education sector also offers numerous opportunities for generating a healthy income. Whether it be private tutoring, online education, creating and selling course materials, or hosting and endorsing educational events, if you have an expertise in any field of formal or informal education, you will find a way to make it profitable. Turning to more traditional approaches, we have the good old stock market. While it demands extensive research and strategic planning, many investors continue to reap financial gains by investing in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and more. Essential to financial success and security is to not disregard traditional means of earning, such as a regular salary job or setting up and running a brick-and-mortar business. While these may imperatively require continuous hard work, dedication, and right strategies, the safety they offer is often supplemented by the knowledge that they are tried and true. Last, but not least, we have strategic savings and financial planning. Saving consciously with a goal in mind, and investing it wisely, could lead to accessing secondary income generators like mutual funds, or, in the long run, could mean the difference between a comfortable retirement and a constant financial struggle. Remember, each method will require varying degrees of effort, time, and skill, and must be carefully evaluated based on your individual circumstances and goals. Pick a path that resonates with you, make a plan, and work hard at it. Combining multiple approaches can also provide a diversified and resilient income stream. Do not be demoralized by the initial setbacks, fluctuations, or uncertainties that accompany these incomes. With persistence and willingness to learn, you may find success in a variety of these income-generating methods, remembering that making $10,000 per month is a realistic and achievable goal for many people. On top of the 12 strategies outlined in this guide, we also can't undermine the less tangible yet crucial importance of building your personal brand, networking effectively, and continuously educating yourself. It's vital to remember that these are not standalone efforts, but instead intertwined processes that augment and support each other. Lastly, financial success isn't just about earning a substantial income, but also about being mindful of how you manage and spend that income. Developing smart and strategic budgeting habits, as well as minimizing debt, are always essential steps in improving your financial well-being. Make sure to apply learned financial literacies, investment strategies, or new opportunities not just for immediate improvements but sustainably over the long term too. When success begins to correlate with positive financial habits, taking a mindset to manage the larger income that comes with it should become a natural progression. It's important to remind that the road to success and earning a stable, higher income often requires steep learning curves, flexibility, and resilience to overcome inevitable obstacles and setbacks. The truth is that few new ventures succeed immediately, and many require trial and error to find the best path to a profitable outcome. Prepare yourself, stay determined, and with regular accountable effort you can achieve the desired goal. Working on developing your chosen income stream over time not only raises the financial sweet spot of your earnings but lay the foundation for long-term wealth and success. Remember, the number you want to achieve each month should align with your values and goals. Financial freedom is much more than a certain number in your bank account. It is the ability to live life without constantly worrying about money while still having enough freedom to enjoy life. We are confident that this video has effectively highlighted the vast range of potential income streams open to individuals today. In the end, the methods outlined are meant to serve as a starting point, and the rest are hard work and commitment is up to you. So, take the next steps with purpose, remain open to new opportunities, and persistently increase your levels of financial competency. As you inculcate positive money, earning and saving habits, you will progress progressively towards your goals and attaining the age-old dream, financial independence. Make sure to revisit this information, build on it, and continually improve. And don't forget, your monetary success depends on your efforts, dedication, and maybe a bit of luck. But rest assured, with the right strategy and a persistent outlook, earning $10,000 a month can be well within your grasp. The path to success is often challenging and filled with numerous risks and uncertainties. But these risks, when embraced and nurtured, could lead to opportunities. Financial stability comes through regular contributions towards self-improvement, learning from successful role models, and often challenging the status quo. Regardless of the method or methods you choose, remember that the journey to making $10,000 per month is not a race, it's a marathon. There are no shortcuts to sustainable wealth. Persistence, resilience, sound judgment, and a continuous learning mindset are the crucial components of financial success. The knowledge we have shared is just the seed. How it grows ultimately depends on you. Given the right mindset, appropriate tools and strategies, the $10,000 a month goal is not a distant dream but a realistic achievement. Be bold, and let it guide you on the journey towards financial prosperity. In conclusion, to acquire $10,000 per month, you've got to stay committed, make a plan, and follow through on your strategies. So now that you have the necessary information, are you ready to embark on the journey of a lifetime leading to financial success? Your financial future is in your own hands. Get ready to take charge today. The risk you're avoiding is the opportunity you are losing. Remember, the horizon is only the limit of our sights, not our aspirations. And when it comes to financial freedom, make sure to work hard, dream big, and maximize every potential avenue of income. You can achieve success. Stay firmly on the